Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here which is main script. First time coming across my channel, make sure you subscribe and also turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping on this channel. Today's video is going to be very interesting because a lot of attention have been coming to this particular update I'm about to release to us. 8 days ago, I posted a video about UpsideOnly AI trading platform. So I explained everything you need to know and also the virtual trading funds you're going to be given. I just got to note that UpsideOnly AI has been getting a lot of attention recently as an AI trading platform, but is it actually worth trying? In this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'll be breaking it down for you in a simple way, how it works, what people are saying about it, and what you should know before using this particular platform. So this is an AI trading platform. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm just explaining how the platform works, so make sure you pay attention to that. I'm not giving any investment advice. This video is just for educational purpose only. So 8 days ago, like I said, I made a video on the trading platform. I explained everything you need to know. So in this video, what I'll just be doing is I'll be showing you how it works. So the first thing you have to do is you have to head over to UpsideOnly AI. So you can just go over to UpsideOnly AI. So once you come over to Google, you are going to be seeing their website. Their website is the first one that comes up. So what you are doing using this platform is you'll be trading the real market. So and you also have access to the real chart, paper money until you rank. So I'm going to be explaining this for us in this video. Pull up any market, place trades, build an edge our AI can verify. So you can click here to read more about the platform UpsideOnly AI. So I'll just click on this website. This platform was built by Perpetuals Group. In the previous video I made, I told us who the founders are. You just have to come over to the website, make sure you register an account. You can sign up with Google, you can sign up with Apple, you can continue with Facebook, continue with your X account, then your account will be created. The good thing about this platform is that you are going to be trading with none of your funds. You'll be trading with the company actual fund. Let me just go ahead to log in, then let's access the dashboard. We are in the dashboard of the UpsideOnly platform. So you see the dashboard. In this dashboard, you see the market overview here. You can trade crypto, you can trade forex, you can trade stock, you can trade metals here. So you see the market overview. You see from this my portfolio, you see the portfolio growth from 100 to about, you see, to 300. But this is not the actual, it's just like their prediction and all that. So coming down, you see the present amount I'm floating at. Yeah, I'm floating at this amount presently. The virtual funds is still like 100%. So how this platform works is register an account. Then once you register an account, you'll be given the virtual funds. So once you've been given the virtual fund, just come over to this trade. So this way you'll be executing every trade. Just come over to this trade. So you see the trade section here. You see your balance. You see the other direction. You either buy or sell. So if I'm going to buy, I'll select buy. If I'm going to sell, I'll select sell. If I want to select the currency I want to trade, I'll just come over to this Binance coin here. I'll click on it. So I can just scroll down and search for the currency I want to trade. For example, if I want to trade Bitcoin USD, this place where you're seeing the 1 minute time frame. So this way you can come over to change the time frame for the candles. So just click on it. You can go with 1 hour to see the candlestick much more clearer. So you can just come over to 1 hour. Then for you to change the line, it's presently at line chart. This is the default. Just come over to click here, then just scroll down. So select candles. So before I take a buy, let's analyze this. For you to get much more wider view, just click on this button. So you see the full screen mode. So you can just come here to analyze. So I'll just close this full screen mode right now. So presently I want to go with buy. Once I've done my analysis, so I'll just come here, I'll click on buy. I want to perform an instant market execution here. So I'll select market. If it's limits, I'll select limits. I want price of BTC to get to maybe like 72 or 73,000. So I can just come over here and track it, or I can just come over here and enter the limit price here. But if I'm going with market, I'll just select market order, then I will enter the amount I want to trade with. So then I just have to enter my stop loss. So if I want to set my stop loss to about 71,400, so 71,400, you see my stop loss will be here. Next thing I need to do is I need to set my take profit. Let's say I want to target like 78 for instance. So you see my target area here. So what I'll just do, I'll just scroll down. So I'll see the transaction, the order summary. Direction is buy, type market, amount I'm trading with is 99, stop loss 71, take profit is 78. So what I'll just do is I'll just click on this submit trade. So you see presently I'm in a trade. You see that this active position, you see theory. The reason why it's showing theory is because of, you entered an instant market execution, your stop loss and also your take profits is being counted. You understand? So that is why it's showing 3 positions. These are my position histories. You see all my order history here. You can click here to check market. So for instance, if I want to check my trade on BTC, so I'll just come here, I'll click on market, then I'll just click on this BTC USD. So I'll see the trade I placed. Register an account, come over to this trade section, just come and trade with your virtual fund. So from this my start, this is what is going to suggest to the company that I'm actually profitable. Once I'm able to top the leaderboard, then the company will be taking my trade. So once they are taking my trade, I'm going to be getting percentage from every of my trades they are taking. So you see this person has about 89% win rate. You see all the trade he has taken. So you see the second person, the person has about 97% win rate. You see the amount and you see all the trade he has taken. You see the gain about 245%. So just try to get high to this leaderboard. You can get up to 100. What the AI in this platform does is it's going to recommend you to the complaint. So anytime you're executing trade, so the complaint is going to be taking the trade. For instance, now let's say the AI has been able to verify that I'm very good or I'm profitable. So they are going to execute this trade. So once they execute, I'm going to be getting commission from the trade they took. So I got 2 wins and all good. So if I want to continue trading, I'll just click on this continue trading. I can also come over to this achievement. So register at UpsideOnly, make your first trade. So once you register, make sure you make your first trade and close trade across 2 different assets. You can close across crypto, you can close across forex, or you can close across stock. So that is what they meant about this. So once you've completed this, you are going to advance, you are going to get an achievement, but this is coming up very soon. So this platform is powered by perpetuals. Yeah, I'm going to see my lifetime earnings I've made. That is the total payout I've been able to make on this platform. And once, for instance, now let's say they took my trade and I got a commission, so I'll see that this available. I can just click on this withdraw to make withdrawal. So I'll just directly make withdrawal to my bank account and it's going to be reflecting, but nobody has verified that withdrawals has been made on this platform because this platform was just recently released. You can also come over to your profile to set up your profile. Come over to download your trade history. You see your transaction, you'll see your trade, see FAQ. If you need to maybe ask questions, you can come over to this FAQ. Let's say you're also confused about some stuff, just come over to this button to contact their customer support here. So I'm going to be updating you on how this trade goes. Yeah, I'm going to update you. The next thing in this video is, I already told us what you should know before using this platform. This platform, nobody has verified that they've made withdrawals yet, and for you to make withdrawal, the AI needs to verify that you're actually profitable, that is, you're consistently profitable. Once the platform AI has been able to verify that and you've moved high to the leaderboard, then the platform can start giving your trade to the company, and once they are taking your trade, the commission you get, you'll be seeing it in your account, so you can just go ahead to make the withdrawals immediately. So that is just all about this platform. You can also come over to Twitter. Their complaint just posted about them. So this is a platform worth trying. Why? Because you are not investing any amount on this platform, so it's just basically you are just trading for the complaint. But before you can start trading for the complaint, the AI needs to verify that you are profitable. On this journey of profitability, you also be given a virtual fund to trade with. Once you're able to build a virtual fund consistently, then the AI is going to recognize you and suggest you to the complaint. and any trade you are taking, they will also be executing the trade. So you can come over to their Twitter page and follow them by just clicking on this follow. Once you scroll down, so you see this Upside Only Ambassadors program is now live. You can also participate in this. Once you enjoy their Discord, claim the predictor role. So this is very important. So you can just go ahead to claim this course. This is still early. When you start using the link in this video description, so once you've registered, you are good to go. See you in my next updates about Upside Only. Bye guys.